BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Just a quick video to let you know that the Brave web browser has received a minor point release update, and this latest update includes one add-on and one bug fix. Now, once the update has been applied, the browser version will be bumped up to 1.45.131. It's just the point release, the 131, that includes this maintenance update, and the Chromium platform stays exactly the same as it was prior to this update. Now, it seems that Brave Search is going to be getting Brave Ads in the future, because Brave mentions that in preparation for Brave Ads on the Brave search engine, they have added a header for search.brave.com. So Brave Search is aware when Brave Ads are enabled, so that seems that that will be a feature rolling out to Brave in the near future, where Brave Search, the search engine, will also include Brave Ads in the future. And then the bug fix, just to mention this quickly, they fixed an issue where screen fingerprinting protection is applied to extensions pages. Apparently the fix is for a screen resolution and coordinates issue that were incorrectly being applied to extension pages. So that's the bug fix. So just make sure your browser's up to date, as if you have experienced any issues, this latest maintenance update and bug fix update may address those issues in the browser. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.